Today I'm gonna make a delicious Halloween dish called gnocchi. This episode is all about Halloween, so I've added a spooky twist to this dish, decorating in the form of zombies. By the way, how do you like my Halloween theme? If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and let's cook! That's it, guys. Hope you liked it. Have a nice day.